So today we are upcycling these pants. I told y'all I want to make a different color. We're gonna try it. I tried this color, it did not come out great, so I ended up doing a red and adding a little bit purple in there. So it turned out this really pretty color right here. It kind of has like a camo type of look to it, which I would kind of like it because it got splotchy, but we were on work with it. This is what I did. Girl, I am so proud of myself. So I'm gonna just style these for y'all, so stay tuned. So we're gonna start off, we're gonna accessorize these bad boys because these pants are just too good. I got lots of loops on there where you can add keychains and stuff. You guys are gonna love that. Add a purple striped shirt with a really cute flower necklace that has purple and pink in it to tie it all together. And remember this dyed shirt that I did a while back? I'm styling it, y'all. Buttoned up, it is super cute. It's a nice crop fit to fit over any shirt, so I can't wait to wear this with many outfits. I really enjoyed making these pants. It took a lot more time to make these than the other ones, but let me know how you guys like it. Make sure you like and comment down below. I love hearing you guys' feedback. Thank y'all. And of course, my go-to jacket.